I just got my MC61M mobile evaporative cooler. And believe it or not, I got it online and it came in just a couple of days. It was in stock. So you can do that, and you can have it delivered to your door or your mailbox. So let's get this unboxed and see what we got. So let's get this thing unboxed. Your cooler may be a little bit different, but this particular cooler said turn it over, so it's inverted right now, and we have this compartment where we have the goodies that we have to put together here. So we'll take these screws out here. They said you can discard this, and inside we have our casters. Those are nice ones too with this particular model. Casters, and we have a little package here that I may be able to get open eventually. But inside of it, you can see we have the screws to put on the casters and also the adapter for the hose bib. We'll get to that later. All right, let's install these casters now. We'll do these, just one of these to show you how to do it, and the other ones we won't bore you with. Basically, there's a little area that it fits in, and we have our handy dandy Ryobi drill here. There's one. There's two. And three. And now we'll do the other three. We've inverted the cooler now because we have all the casters on. Here's the control panel right here. First of all, the pump. It's a good idea to turn the pump on first and let the pads get wet. Then when you do turn the fan on, you'll get immediate cooling. The fan has 3 speeds, low, medium, and high. And finally, this particular model has what they call swing, which is an oscillator like some of the fans that you might have inside. And finally, we'll go down here, and this is where you put in the water. It starts like this. You press it, it opens up, pour the water in. This particular tank will hold about 14 gallons of water, and you can just use regular old tap water, works fine. This is the final step, and I highly recommend this, even though it's a little bit more trouble. You put on this particular brass fitting here and just hand tighten it at first. Then you attach your hose here, and the beauty of that is that there is a valve in there that will shut off when it gets full, and you'll never have to be traipsing around and putting water in it all the time. In a dry climate like here in Arizona, it can go through a lot of water in a relatively quick period of time, so it's a really good idea to do this. All right, and this is what it looks like when you've got the hose attached.